Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we've got an unboxing for you. I got an early Amazon deal, I guess. I didn't know it was an Amazon deal until I really looked at it and I applied the coupon. So I just finished up my work day, so let's get at it. I've been wanting to upgrade the studio here for like when I am making a video of cooking or working on something. And if I get too far away from this microphone, which this is the Rode Video Micro, it's a small condenser mic on top of the camera. If I get too far away from it, you can't hear. I boost it up with software. Doesn't sound good. Then I bought a, well actually I bought this one first. This is a Boya lavalier microphone. It's got a 20-foot cord on it. Every time you're working on something or doing something where you have to move, cord gets in the way. Now, if I'm doing a talking head thing from right here to here, it's fine. So I've been doing a lot of research on wireless microphones, and the two in the economy range. Now, I don't get paid for this. This is not a paid for video. I'm not sponsored. Nothing. This all comes out of my pocket. I am not monetized. So there are two in the economy range, which is the lower end Rode Video Micro 2 and the Hollyland. This is the Lark M1. And if this doesn't turn out the way I want it, I'll send it back. But so what you have a receiver that you put on the camera, hooks in with a 3.5 millimeter cable, or you can do it on your phone or GoPro or whatever. And then it has a transmitter that you put on your shirt or on your person. Now, I don't think this one actually has a 3.5 jack for a lavalier mic, but that's fine. The Rode microphones start out at $185. Now it's on Amazon. $185 up to $429, depending on what you get in the kit. The Hollylands start out at $149 and go to $2 something, depending on which model you get and everything. Take the cellophane off of it. This one is the lower end. Now this one started out at $149. Show you what it looks like. I got it with a coupon for $107. And I said, well, if it's not good enough, if it doesn't sound good enough, then well, I'll send it back. So we'll do a quick test here between the Hollyland, the Rode Video Micro, and the Boya M1, I believe it is. There'll be links to all this in the description if I like it. If I don't, you'll never hear from it again. So let me try to open the box up here and show you what's in it. There is some tape on the side of this silly thing. Try not to destroy the box so I can take it back or send it back if I need to. Alright, box is intact. Alright, it comes with a little carrying case here. Got a nice zipper. Okay, so in the box, let's look at it right here. Okay, in the little case, you got all the cables. This is a USB-A to USB-C. Got a TRRS to TRS. And you have a 3.5 to 3.5. Comes with a quick start guide. And it has two little tiny dead cats, little wind muffs, little furry wind muffs. to go on the transmitters. Alright, so this is the charging case. So it's got a USB-C charging case with a little LED on it, magnetic, and it shows you the charge level, so it came charged up. So in the middle you have the receiver. It lights up. It's got a little clip on it, and that would clip on the camera itself, like on the shoe, I guess. We'll read the instructions on it. Okay, now here is one of the little transmitters. Got a little power button and I'll have to look and see what the other button is, but one of them is a power button. We'll go through the instructions on it, and then you have another one over here. It's exactly the same. So what I want to do, give me about 5 minutes to read the instructions. I'm cooking supper while I'm doing it, and I just got through doing laundry, so I'm trying to help the wife out there because she works really hard. And let me read this. I'll be right back. I got to go stir the spaghetti sauce, and we'll see what this thing sounds like. Y'all stay with us. All right, been going over the quick start guide. So what you have the microphone right there. That's the built-in microphone on top and side. You have a power button right there. Then you have a noise cancellation button on the other side. So it should be ready to go. Take it out of there. When it lights up blue, you're ready to use. We'll install this on the camera here in a second. And I'll put one of these on me and we'll go through the different settings on it and see what it sounds like. It does have a noise cancellation switch on it. It has 3 different levels of volume you can cycle through. And it actually charges in the case, so let's swap out microphones here and we'll see what it sounds like. I've got some little indicators right here on the screen, on the display, that tell me my volume. I'll watch it there and see what it looks like. Okay, have you ever felt silly and you're doing something, you think you're pretty good at it, but you screw up? Well, that was me. So on the end of this thing, the microphone, you'll see that? That's the microphone part of it right there. It had this little blue piece of plastic covering it. I said, well, so it sounded like I was talking like this the whole time. So I just had to delete those files out of the way. So let's put this thing on the shirt. I'll have to figure out how that works, but so I have full gain. So what I want to do now, so you have a noise cancellation button and a power button. So I want to hit the noise cancellation button. Take it back out so I can show you. So it is, it's in noise cancellation right now. The light is green. So if I hit it at one time, you can't hardly tell, but that's blue. The light's blue. So we'll look at it here, and I'll get back away from the camera, and we still got full gain on the meter there. So hopefully it sounds good. So what you have on the receiver, you have a volume control. Now it comes from the factory in the middle, or when you turn it on, it's in the middle range. And I'll take a picture of this, but it has a minus and a plus up here, and you can turn it down, and turn it down and turn it down and turn it down, or you can turn it right back up. And it'll go right back up, and you can turn it just as wide open as it'll go. And I think that's about as wide open as it'll go right there. So alright, so this is the sound test of the Hollyland Lark M1 with my voice, Southern and all. We'll go to the lavalier mic, the Boya M1, and we'll see what it sounds like. Alright, so I have put on the wired lavalier. I'm looking at my little display, and it's got a lot more gain than the Hollyland did. We'll just have to listen to it in post and see what it sounds like. I guess the only thing that I don't like is that my neighbor is mowing every time I go to do this. He is running right outside there. That there's not a 3.5mm jack to hook a lavalier to it so you can put it on your shirt. You have to actually have this out there. But for half the cost, I think I can deal with it. So let's unhook this one and go back to this one, and we'll do the noise cancellation and see if something block out that noise. Okay, so you've got to hear the Rode Video Micro, the little shotgun mic. You got to hear the Boya M1 lavalier, wired lavalier, and the Hollyland Lark M1 wireless. I'm not going to do any audio correction in DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to let it go. I'm just going to adjust the level, make sure I'm not blowing somebody out of their living room. But I'm not going to adjust the bass, treble, nothing. But I'm going to use this on all my videos coming up and see if I like it. I'm going to give it a 1 or 2 week review. If I don't like it, I'll send it back and go for the Rode. But it being half the price, I may just stick with it. I don't know, it depends how good it is. Anyway, if you got any questions, leave them down there in the bottom. And appreciate everybody watching the videos. Appreciate all the comments, all the questions. Can't thank you enough. I'm at 992 subscribers, on my way to 1,000. Appreciate everybody doing that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. It's just right down there. And we're going to have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway pretty soon. Don't know what yet. We're going to do it. But anyway, I'm going to get out there and mow the yard. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having a great day. And until the next video, thanks for watching.